Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I am back with another video because I said if the other video surpasses 200 views in 2 days, or wait, was it 5 days? I don't even know, but I think I said if the video surpasses 200 views, which it did, I'm making another sneezing video for you guys. So here I am, I'm making another sneezing video for you guys. But before I start, I just want to say, next sneezing video, I need that video to hit 300 views, or this video to hit 300 views for me to make another sneezing video. So we're gonna keep building the channel up and up until we're at 1,000. Then I'll post whatever you guys want me to post. I don't know if that makes sense to y'all, but it makes sense to me, so let me explain this a little better. This video needs 300 views in order for me to make another sneeze video. So yeah, I hope you guys understand, and yeah, there's no more time, let's get right into the video. So we're gonna do like a leveled up version of a sneezing challenge. So, got me a pen, clearly, just a regular old pen. Value Pawn Jewelry, and I'm not going to say the location because I don't want people come and stalk me. But yeah, leveled up some. Instead of 10 sneezes like normal, I'm going to do 20 sneezes. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Smash like right now. But yeah, no more time, let's get right to it for like the 5th time. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. That one kind of took me a long time to sneeze, I don't know why. 12. 13. 14. Wow. $15. And the next 5 sneezes I'm gonna do in slow motion, so I hope you guys do enjoy that also. Oh, hold on. Uh, 17, 16. 17. 18. 19. 'And last but not least, 20. Whoa. So that was 20 sneezes, and really that's all I'm doing for today. Right now it's 6:36 p.m. in the afternoon, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you do smash a like, share with your friends who would find this interesting, and don't forget to subscribe. We're almost to 100 subscribers, so yeah, let's try to get that fast. And remember, let's get this video to 300 views, and whenever this video gets 300 views, I will make another update video, and then we'll leave off from there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment any more sneezing ideas you want me to do, and I will most likely do them, depending on if it's an appropriate topic or not. But thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment like I done said, and it's been Hunter David or the Sneezer Bros. Peace out. I love you.